What's good, y'all? So the Ford has been in the shop for about a week now. I don't think we're gonna get it back anytime soon, just because these mechanics say they don't know what's going on with the truck. They said it's a big headache, so we're gonna go truck shopping today. I didn't think I would do this anytime soon, but I think we need a newer truck that we have right now that has 250,000 miles. We need a reliable truck since we are getting pretty busy and we have a lot of recurring customers. We cannot let these customers down. I'm gonna take a risk and just have faith in God. That's all I can do. I trust God. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. We got a Isuzu that we're gonna look at. It's a 2019. Hopefully it's good. If not, I guess we'll just go look at some other things. This is the truck.
Look at that way.
Gonna have to take that off if we get it. Dang, this thing is big. It sounds good, it looks good, but is the price good? I don't know. All right, guys, now we're looking at this Chevy. The other one was Dookie, wasn't even going over 35 miles an hour. This one's nicer. 2021 diesel. Let's see how good it is. I don't know. We're test driving the Silverado 5500. So far the numbers are looking good, but let's see if this truck drives good, because the other one drove like stinky booty. This junk drives like a beast. We got the new truck. Now we just gotta put the equipment on the back. We ain't playing no games no more. So now we're gonna move everything from the trailer and make it exactly how the other Ford is. Wish us luck. It's gonna be crazy.
Hey!
Woo!
Never put it down that long. How does it look in my
Yeah. All right, first time we're filling up on the 5500. We got all the equipment ready to go. This diesel is leaking a little bit, so I gotta fix that. So this truck actually has two diesel, like two tanks. That's crazy. All right, it's day 3. I gotta hook up this dirty water. It's gonna be going into this tank for now until I get new filters for this. Connected the lift. The lift is working now. It's actually stronger than the other truck for some reason. This pump keeps overheating every time I'm not pulling the trigger on the pressure washer gun. I think there's no airflow for some reason. I don't know who set this up, but this is how I bought it, and I gotta figure something out. Another thing I did was I took this 4-inch 100-foot, that's all I have left over from 100 foot. So in here I filled it all up, because if there's too much water, the truck is going to be just going back and forth. So from here, that should reduce the water movement. So as of now, I only filled it up like maybe, yeah, a little more than half. It's tilted, so that's why it looks like more, but this is all that's holding it right now. It's just the strap. So we're gonna see how the truck drives with the swishing of the water and with the weight, with more weight. I'm gonna try to connect the main water so it can come into here, into the pump. I'm gonna try to do a bypass. Starter's not working, so I always got to pull this from now. I know this is not right, but you know, I'm in a rush. Like, this is literally day 2 of having this truck and everything is on it. I'm just trying to get everything running so I can do bends. This thing right here, this switch is not working. This is the dirty water pump. Here's the filters that I use. I'm gonna have that pump into here for now, because I need to see if those filters are still good. But yeah, we're gonna go to my friend's house and we're just gonna start rocking and rolling, bud. I can't explain to you how crazy this is. 2 days putting this thing on. I've been running around to a lot of stores and I've been just everywhere, and it's crazy to me. Like, I haven't even let it sink in that I just got a new truck. God is good. Hey, I used to pass by the dealerships and was like, man, I wish one day I could get a newer truck, you know? Hey, man. It is currently 8:30 at night. I've been up since 4 a.m. working on this truck, bro. I think we finally got almost everything ready. We had a flow problem coming from the tank. Dang, you guys can't even see me, bro. Well, we got a flow problem coming from the tank. We fixed that. I'm at Home Depot now. I gotta get a couple of PVC pipes. Still gotta fix the starter and the boiler. I think we're ready to go tomorrow. We have the company that wants us to do 15 bins. I think I'm gonna do the 15 and then one residential customer just to see how everything is going. That's gonna be my first route, so I'm like, I don't want everything to just blow up, you know? So yeah, y'all, this is crazy, bro. I'm tired, dude. I'm so tired right now. I'm not even gonna lie.